Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad AZRI bin ZAINUDDIN. My registration number is 01DKA21F1030. So today I will talk about the definition of vector and scalar. A vector is a physical or phenomenon that has two independent properties, which is magnitude and direction. The term also denotes the mathematical or geometrical representation of such a quantity. Example of vector in nature are velocity, momentum, force, electromagnetic field, and weight. Definition of scalar. A scalar quantity is a physical quantity that has magnitude but no direction, while the vector is a physical quantity that has both magnitude and direction. In this chapter, we will discuss about the fundamental of vector and scalar and how can we apply the concept in sport.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad HAIQAL bin Muhammad ALQASYAH. My meeting number is 01DKA21F1031. From the diagram, we can see we use the formula triangle law. The situation from the diagram is Samsudin, we pass back the ball to the Kamaruddin, and Kamaruddin, we pass the ball to the Baharuddin for the counter attack. The formula is AB equal to AO plus OB. That will be in the bracket 2i plus 6j minus 4k plus 4i plus 8j plus 2k equal to 2i plus 6j minus 4k plus 4i plus 8j plus 2k. We counting all the numbers, that will be the 6i plus 40j minus 2k.
Assalamualaikum. My name is FAIZ bin RAZAK. My magic number is 01DKA21F1015. I will explain how to find the angle of three situations. For first situations, we use O to A equation and O to B equation. That O to A equation is 2i plus 6j minus 4k, and O to B equation is 4i plus 8j plus 2k. And next, equation O to A multiply equation O to B, that 2 multiply 4 plus 6 multiply 8 and plus negative 4 multiply 2. You get 8 plus 48 negative 8. Then the last answer is 48. Cos theta equal 48 over square root 56 square root 84 and equal cos inverse 0.6999, and the last answer we get the angle is 45.58 degree.
For the second situation from the diagram, we still use the same formula, that is triangle law. The situation from the diagram is Baharuddin want to pass the ball back to the Kamaruddin, and Kamaruddin will pass the ball back to Samsudin, and Samsudin will do the counter attack. The formula will be BA equal to BO plus OA equal to in the bracket 6i plus 10j minus 4k plus in the bracket 4i plus 8j plus k equal to the 6i plus 10j minus 4k plus 4i plus 8j plus k, and counting all the numbers, the answer will be the 10i plus 80j minus 3k.
For second situations, we use B equations and A equation. That O to B equation is 6 2i plus 10j minus 4k, and O to A equation is 4i plus 8j plus k, and we get 6 multiply 4 plus 10 multiply 8 plus negative 4 multiply 1, and equal 24 plus 18 minus 4, and the last answer we get 101. For B, square root 6 square plus 10 square plus minus 4 square, and we get square root 115 too. For A, equal square root 4 square plus 8 square plus 1 square, and we get square root 181. And we apply this to cos theta equal 101 over square root 152 square root 81, and we get cos inverse 0.9102, and the last answer of angle is 24.57 degree.
The last calculation for the triangle law, the situation is Samsudin, we pass the ball back to the Kamarudin, and Kamarudin, we pass the ball to the Baharudin, and Baharudin will do the counter attack. The formula we apply is AB equal to AO plus OB equal to the in the bracket 3i plus 4j plus 9k plus in the bracket 2i plus 7j plus 5k equal to the 3i plus 4j plus 9k plus 2i plus 7j plus 5k. We counting all the numbers, and the final answer will be the 5i plus 11j plus 40k.
For third situation or last situation is A, B. We use O to OA equation and OB equation. That OA equation is 3i plus 4j plus 9k, and OB's equation is 2i plus 7j plus 5k, and equal 3 multiply 2 plus 4 multiply 7 plus 9 multiply 5, and we get 79. And we apply this answer to cos theta equal 79 over square root 106 square root 184, and we get theta equal cos inverse 0.8372, and we get a answer of angle is 33.15 degree.
Okay, Assalamualaikum. My name is AHMAD bin HAZIM. My registration number is 01DKA21F1025. Now, I want to talk about the conclusion of vector. From the last exercise we have learned, we realized that vector can be used in many fields such as sport. Without using a protractor to measure the angle, we use a vector formula to find the angle. They can be widely used in real-life application, very useful for sport. We also realized that vectors are very useful in determining the size of unknown object. Vectors do not end with a passing of vector subject or known as mathematics, and we will use it always in our career. We can conclude that without vector, life will be more difficult. Thank you.